Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Shutterstock contributor account and enabling two-factor authentication. This protects earnings and identity. Once signed in, open your best images, export as JPG and sRGB, keep file size and megapixels within limits. Meanwhile, draft a focused keyword list containing 5 to 50 accurate words, including location and synonyms. This speeds search visibility. Make sure image titles are concise and descriptive, because that first metadata pass determines discoverability and reduces rework later. Now you upload files through the contributor portal. Drag and drop or select a folder to queue many images at once. You must add titles, categories, and 5 to 50 keywords per image. Put the most important keywords first to influence search ranking. Choose the correct license, and if people or property are present, mark model or property release required and attach signed releases. Once done, review AI content flags and adjust metadata to match policy, so your submission moves to review without avoidable rejections. Finally, submit your prepared images for Shutterstock review and expect a 24 to 72-hour turnaround. Once submitted, monitor the review dashboard for approvals and rejections. If an image is rejected, read the reason carefully. Common fixes include metadata accuracy, noise/sharpness, or missing releases, and correct the original file or metadata. After correcting, resubmit quickly to regain potential sales. If you encounter repeated or unclear rejections, contact contributor support with examples and your release files to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.